I'm going to share with you 10 profitable retail business ideas that you can start with low investment, and we begin right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Idea and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. If you have not yet watched my previous videos, the videos that I've made on successful business ideas or how to write a successful winning business plan, click the link in the description so that you watch those videos. And stay to the end of this video so that you get to know which business idea that works for you. Before I start, please, if you think that you have an extra business ideas that I haven't mentioned in the list that I'm going to provide, write in the comment section so that everyone gets to know about it. The first retail business idea that I have for you today is food store shop. A food store business is one of the profitable business ideas that I have for you today. It is a retail business of selling products which are consumable. Products such as rice, beans, sugar, and other products which are consumed on daily basis is one thing that you need to consider in terms of selling them as a retail business. Things like sodas, the Fantas, beverages, juices are things that are consumed on daily basis. Selling them in a food store shop is a profitable business idea. The second retail business idea that I have for you today is beauty shop. Beauty shop is a shop whereby you sell products that are related to promoting or selling cosmetic products for beautification. This can be selling cosmetic products such as hair extensions, lipsticks, earrings, and anything related to beautification. Starting a beauty shop anywhere in a town or in a village is one thing that you are going to make profit as you start it. It is something that is of demand. Mostly 99% of the youth are into beautifying or decorating themselves by applying this cosmetic product or using this type of products. Starting a beauty shop is also another profitable business that you cannot fail. It is one of the highest performing and which is trending in the market. Most of the youth interest. So starting this type of business is one thing I am very much sure that you are going to make profit. The third business idea, retail business idea that I have for you today is retail pharmacy. Anything related to health products is of high demand. It is one of the necessities for us, a human being, to survive. Starting a retail business related to selling pharmaceutical products such as painkillers, allergic products, or other type of medicines that can be sold over the counter is another retail business that you need to think. If it is possible that you can also get one of the pharmacists or a doctors, you can also subcontract with other companies and get to start a clinic everywhere, either in the village or somewhere in your locality. It is one profitable business that I'm sure you are not going to fail. The fourth retail business idea that I have for you today is starting a thrift shop. A thrift shop is a shop whereby you sell second-hand products. It is also called second-hand clothes, second-hand products, or mitumba in Swahili. Selling or starting this type of shop somewhere in your locality or any other places is going to be a profitable retail business that's going to work for you. Almost 65% of people are into buying second-hand product because of not being able to afford buying a new clothes or new products, or in the sense of saving money. The fifth type business idea that I have for you today is starting food truck. Food truck is whereby you sell a pre-cooked food in a car that takes food closer to the clients or to the workers, mostly staffs or employees who work in cities have very hard time accessing food by just moving from where they work to restaurants. Starting a food truck that provides food to their locality, to the places of work, availing accessible food to them, is another profitable business idea that you need to think of. Food truck business does not only work with only providing food to companies or employees. You can also establish your food truck business in a place whereby you can access clients. It can be in the market, in the center of the city. It can be on the park where people can access that type of food. It is one profitable retail business that you can do. You need only to buy foods so that you go and resell it at a higher price where customers are in need. The other business idea that I have for you today is butcher shop. A butcher shop is a shop whereby someone or a shopkeeper sells meat products only. It is buying large quantities of meat. It can be the meat of goat, the meat of a cow, the meat of a sheep, any type of meat, and reselling them in small pounds, in a small portion whereby you can sell at a profitable price. This is one of the top retail business ideas that is working and which is on trend. It is one of the profitable business ideas that is working in the market. Starting a retail butcher shop is another thing that you need to consider. The other business that I have for you today is starting health store food shops. Health food store is a place where you sell only organic foods that are accessible. These are like groceries, things that are not naturally made. These are like fruits that you can grow, that has been grown in a state whereby in a natural state. That's what I mean. So selling this type of food is another trending business which is of growing, because so many people are avoiding these chemically produced products or foods so that they avoid this other type of disease that they run away from. So starting a health food store is another thing that you need to consider, because the trend of now people demanding this type of food is increasing over the past years. So the final retail business idea that I have for you today is starting electronic accessory shops. This can be mobile accessories, this can be laptop accessories, or any gadget that is of use. Electronic accessories such as mobile phone accessories, earphones, headphones, batteries is another working business, and it is a profitable business that you can start. So many people are of demand of replacing their screen, their phone screen. They want to buy earphones so that they listen to their loved or favorite music on their own without disturbing other people. Buying this type of products or starting this type of businesses in your locality or anywhere is going to be one of the biggest trending retail business that you are not going to fall, that you are not going to fail. If you really liked my video, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you watch the upcoming videos on business success. The 3 business success tips that you can succeed with your business. Please thumbs up to my video. I will see you in the next video.